Dear students, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How do you do? Hopeful that you will be fine. Now we are going to start our work. Let's open your English workbook, grade 3. Open page number 33. Write proper noun for each common noun in the box. We have read about common noun and proper noun, that common noun is the name of an ordinary person, place or thing, and proper noun is the name of some special person, place or thing. So these are all common noun and we will write about proper noun. Write proper noun for each common noun. We also know that when we talk about some special things, some special place or some special person, then it will be proper noun. So first one is street, and we will write about proper noun street. Name Jinnah Street. When we talk about Jinnah Street, then it will be street is common noun, but when we talk about some special street, then it will be Jinnah Street. Or then mention name of street, then it will be proper noun, Jinnah Street. Next, city. City is common noun, but when we mention the name of some special city, then it will be proper noun, like Karachi, month March, proper noun start with capital letter. Holiday, like resolution day. Restaurant, Marriott. Poet, Allama Iqbal. So these are our proper noun and these are common noun. Next, use proper nouns to complete the sentences. Begin proper noun with capital letters. Use proper noun. First one is Rami's cousin Sarah live in. We will write about Islamabad. She lives in Islamabad. Write Islamabad. First letter should be capital. That big city is in Pakistan. Sarah goes to Dar-e-Arqam school. Dar-e-Arqam school. Asad plays at Jinnah ground. So these are all proper noun. Jinnah ground. Ali lives in Multan because it is proper noun. Next is find proper noun in each sentence, then write the proper noun in the given space. First one is school begins in September. What is the proper noun in this line? September, because we have read about that all the names of months are proper noun. So in this line the proper noun is September. Second, it starts after Independence Day. We have read about that all the names of holidays are proper noun. So Independence Day is a proper noun. Independence Day a proper noun. On Tuesday we go to school. We have read about that all the names of days are proper noun. So in this line, Tuesday is proper noun. Okay. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.